everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays, episode 227. And I'm going to share with you the July Di's Country INKcentives, and I'm switching them up a little bit, and I'll explain that more. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So when you order from me each month, I have two kind of incentives. And one is my Country Dozen reward points, and for every $50 on a single order before tax and shipping, you earn one sunflower. And this is kind of like a reward point. I love sunflowers, so I just picked sunflowers. And once you earn a dozen sunflowers, then you can pick $35 and free from me as a thank you. And I have a chart that I'll show you when I turn the camera. I also have what I've been calling goodies and guts. And I am going to change that up starting in July. I'm going to try it a new way, and it's a little harder to say now, so it's going to be goodies and mini masterpiece. So I have shown my mini masterpieces when I did some show and tell, when I went through my studio and stuff like that, and I showed some old ones I did years ago, and I had so many of you contact me and say, oh, I remember when you used to do those, or wish you would bring them back. And I thought, well, maybe I should. Maybe I'll, instead of doing the guts, which I've been doing for, gosh, I don't know how long, I'm going to go back to the mini masterpiece. I love to sit in color and make little things. So this is right up my alley. I can have my TV on and I can just make these to my heart's content. And then you can enjoy them if you earn them. You can put them on a card. You can frame them. You can put them on a shelf. You can do whatever you want with them. So yeah, that's what I'm going to show you today. So the thing that is a little bit different with my goodies and mini masterpiece is that is an order of $75 before tax and shipping in my store. But that can be accumulative. And I know this is a lot. Maybe down the road I will only offer one incentive and it will be less to explain, but right now I still have both of those. And so what it means is you could order multiple times in the month, and as long as within that single month you have spent $75 before tax and shipping, that counts. Okay, so I think that is all. I always look around because I swear I forget things, but anyways. Okay, so I'm going to turn my camera for just a second, so close your eyes while I get adjusted. Okay, so before we get started, look what came in the mail the other day. So this is my little 25 anniversary pin. Isn't that so cool? So I got that the other day, and I just love it. So I have so many pins from over the years. So Jeff was so funny. So I showed it to him, and then he hands it back, and he went like this with it. And he goes, "I've locked it. I locked it for you." But anyways, so fun. So thank you, Stampin' Up, for that. 25 years has flown by. All right, so let me bring this over. So I did mention this the other day. So this is my host code for the month of July. So whenever you are placing an order in my online store and you're ordering $150 before tax and shipping or less, because it's easy to order more, make sure you use my code. But if you are ordering over $150 before tax and shipping, then don't use the code, right? You'll still earn my country reward points, and you'll still earn the goodies and the mini masterpiece. Now, and don't forget, bonus days starts tomorrow, July the 3rd. Okay, so let me bring this over. So this is what I was talking about at the beginning. If you are new, if you've been here before, I apologize. This is where you've heard this already. But in case you are new, so this is my Country Dozen rewards. You can get this chart on my blog. My blog is over here. But when you place an order from my store, I send you an email, and then I put this little chart in there, so you'll get it then, and just keep track of it. You know, your order number and the date, and then once you've got a dozen sunflowers, then you holler at me and say, I filled up my chart, and then you tell me what you want for the 35, and then and that's before tax and shipping. And I used to have it where it was a stamp set, but it's so much easier just to say 35, because maybe you want a stamp set. Maybe you need adhesive. Maybe you like some ribbon. So as long as it comes to the 35, you are good. So anyway, so that is what that is. And that's different than my goodies and mini masterpiece. So the goodies for the month of July, so when you order 75 in the month before tax and shipping, again, that can be accumulative orders, you will earn the amazing, and I've used these quite a few times, the adhesive-backed metallic gems. They are gorgeous. And I have, like I said, I've been using them for a while. They are not super heavy, and they have a lot of shine to them. I love that they have their own adhesive on them. And they have like a flat top. Like they're not like rounded. So I feel that they don't stick out in the envelope as much as like maybe a round embellishment would. But anyway, so when you order 75 before tax and shipping in the month of July, you will earn the goodies or the mini masterpiece. And this is a little mini masterpiece for the month of July. And I'm so glad that I showed those, because I have missed doing these little guys. So let me show you in case you are new. So this is what I mean by mini masterpiece. Now these are the old style, and I can't even remember when I did these. I mean, it's been that many years ago. It might be 10 years, you know, ago that I did I did these little things. So it has been quite a while. But I just love to sit and come up with little things. Now these ones are a little bit bigger. This is an old die that we had, and these are the new this is a new, oh my gosh, perennial postage. So you see these mini masterpieces are going to be a bit bigger than the old ones. And it gives me a little bit more freedom in regards to the stamp sets that I can use, because sometimes I had trouble like keeping the stamp set within this little area. So now that they're a little bit bigger, it's going to be a little bit easier. And I just put them in this little bitty book, so I have kept track of them. So anyway, but this will be July's mini masterpiece, and then on the back I have just hand stamped that because it's a finished, it's basically a finished embellishment, right? So I just put MM for Mini Masterpiece July 2024, and I just signed my name on the back of it. And then, but I just love it so much. So I'm so excited. So hopefully you will let me know what you think. And so just like any other time, I will email you, and then I'll have that little chart in the email. And then I will say, do you want goodies or mini masterpiece for the month of July? And then email you back and say, oh, you know, I want the goodies or I want the mini masterpiece. And then when I send you your thank you card, and that will be the first part of August, because I have to order these. These don't come with your order. I order these with my host reward. So that's why I get you to use the host code, because it allows me to grab the goodies as a free, and then I just have to pay the postage to get them to you in the mail. So that's why I always like, oh, use that code. Now Stampin' Up is going to be making some changes down the road that maybe we won't have that host code. They've been talking about doing some different things. So that's why I thought, you know, maybe I will start trickling into a new kind of incentive now, so you kind of get used to that. So anyway, so that's what I said. So I'll send you an email. You say you want goodies, and I'm going to have to, I've been saying goodies and guts for so long that I'm going to have to, like have a little rubber band, right? When you go to say something wrong, you snap the rubber band on your arm or whatever. So anyways, you'll just say, oh, I want the goodies or I want the mini masterpiece. If you order 150 before tax and shipping in the month, you will earn both. And that is a cumulative. So that's why I don't send these till here, let me switch. So I can gab to you instead of you just watching my hands talk. So that's why I don't send these until the following month. Because, like I said, I use my reward points to grab those goodies. And then also, sometimes, like I said, with it being a cumulative, you may order 50 here, you may order 75 there, and then you might order another, like 75, like you might order several times in the month. Excuse me. And those orders together might come to the 150 before tax and shipping. So then you earn both of them. So that's why I wait as well. So if you have any questions at all, make sure you ask. I've been in the chat with you during the video premiere, and I forgot to mention that in case you are new. So if you have any questions, make sure you let me know. If you are watching the replay, just make sure you leave a comment down below. I have updated my blog, so I did update my blog with July's host code. I'll go in there and I'll put that little picture in there, so I have it. And I am going to have so much fun making these this month, and I'm just so excited to have that little incentive back. And that way I can pull out some of my old stamp sets, so that's why I like it too. This little guy is an old stamp set, and you have seen me show him. He's actually up off my whatchamacallit, of my what is this? My letterbox tray. Hold on a second. My allergies are driving me nuts. So I'm gonna go through my old and I think that what also got me so excited when I was pulling out those old wooden stamps to show you. There were so many that I was just like, oh, I missed this one, or now I'll be able to pull out some of my favorites and show them some love. And then hopefully that will also, you'll be able to show them some love if you earn them. So yeah, make sure you holler at me what you think about this. As far as I know, I will keep it to be this size. And what's cool about them, you can, some may come this way depending on the stamp, but if you decide to frame them, you can frame, they kind of not a puzzle, but they look really good framed together. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, let me know, because I'm just so excited. It doesn't take much, but I love stamping. I mean, I've been a demonstrator for over 25 years, and I still just love to sit and stamp. It is my passion. I love it, and I need to stop talking about it, because you're going to go, okay, you said enough. But anyways, so I'm going to be so excited to do these and pull out some of my old favorite stamp sets. I might even repeat some of the ones that were in the other book. It won't be exact because they are bigger. But if you have some that when you're watching me pull out some of those old ones, if you go, oh my gosh, I would love for you to do one with the blah 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 set, holler at me, I'll make a note. And yeah, so let me know what you think. Okay, and these are only USA because I can only take orders in the USA. So, and that's how you earn these, based on your monthly orders. Okay, so I think I have explained everything. I do believe so. So I will see you Friday for my my dies shorts. That will be 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. So have a great few days, and I'll see you Friday, and I look forward to hearing from you if you have any questions. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.